Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new, make sure that you subscribe. That way you'll never miss out on a spell or ritual like this one. Now, this is what I'm really excited for. This is to invite love into your house. So everybody that comes into your house, everybody that lives in your house, including you, your pets, yourself, this is for that, okay? It's to invite love inside your household. What you're going to need is rose petals. I have mine arranged here. You want to arrange it in a circle. Okay, I have fresh rose petals here. You can use dried rose petals as well, but you want to make sure that there's no gaps in between your rose petals because we're casting a circle with rose petals. Why? Because rose petals have a very high vibration and they're associated with unconditional love. So we're sealing and binding this with those energies. Now, the next thing you're going to need is some sugar. I have a little bit of sugar here. And to tell you, that's as much sugar as you will need. You don't want to attract bugs. And then I have this here. This is a Valentine's Day gift that I actually made for my partner. But at the end of it is actually a needle, or what is it, a nail? It's a nail. And my partner's actually filming the video. So it's a nail from my grandpa's fish tackle box. So I made him this gift. So my grandpa's always with him. And we're going to be using this today to engrave our candle with it. So you're going to need a pink or a red candle. Okay, any kind of candle. Could be a jar candle because you can write on the jar. It could be a votive or a birthday candle because you can engrave and I'm going to teach you what to engrave in there. You're going to need some sort of oil. I have here my bay leaf oil from my shop. If you guys are interested, head down in the link below and you can go over to my shop and browse around. But you can use Come To Me oil, Love oil. You can even use olive oil if you don't have any oil, and a lighter. Okay, so let's get into it real quick. You're going to arrange your circle on a fire-safe dish. So here I have, this is probably not fire-safe unless if I put this into a glass jar or something. So make sure it's all fire-safe and make sure that you don't leave it unattended because we're dealing with herbs here. So on this candle, you're going to engrave the address of your house or your property or where you're living at right now, the address of it. Okay, the next you're going to engrave all the names of everybody who lives in that address and possibly everybody that maybe majority comes over to that address. Okay, like your family members or friends or whoever. And then you're going to put this in the middle of your circle. Okay, this is to invite love between those people into your home. And then what you're going to do is take your sugar. It's a little bit of sugar. You're going to put it all over everything. The roses, the candle, and it just takes a pinch of sugar. You don't need a lot. I didn't even have to use all of that. Then you're going to take your oil. And what you're going to do is sprinkle that all over your rose petals, dried or fresh. It's okay. We're kind of rejuvenating it with the oil. And then you're also going to sprinkle that over your candle. Okay. Now, the last thing you're going to do is light your candle. You're going to let this burn down all the way, making sure that you keep an eye on it. And then when everything is done, you can actually use these rose petals around your home. You can boil them. You can make a spray out of them. You can make an oil out of them. You can use them as potpourri if they're dried, or you can dry them up afterwards. There's a lot of things you could do with it, but if you don't choose to do those things, you can actually bury it in your backyard or a potted plant inside your house. And that's it. Enjoy the love that's coming into your home.